Hey there, I'm Britt, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach, 30A and beyond. So don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
I am nestled over here at the community pool at Mac Bayou Point, an established neighborhood over in Santa Rosa Beach. The thing you'll love about this place is the location. You're minutes away from Grand Boulevard and Sandestin. All the shopping, the hospital, all the great restaurants over at Grand Boulevard. Great location. It has a nice green space and, as you can see, a community pool. This brick home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,800 square feet. Some of the selling points for this beautiful home: fenced-in backyard with a patio, beautiful upgrades like granite countertops. You've got an updated AC. You've got expanded spray foam insulation up in the attic to help with energy efficiency. In addition to a new roof, you guys, the owners have spent over $30,000 on solar panels. How would you like to not have a power bill? How would you like to get a rebate check from Chelco? This beautiful brick home available in the 400s, we would love to show it to you. If you want more information about this property and all that it has to offer, make sure you click on the listing details below so you can get all the info about this great property. And don't go away. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any great deals like this one.